Want to update Call of Duty but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to update Call of Duty. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by opening Play Store. If you have iOS device, open App Store. After that, tap on the search button which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on search bar and type Call of Duty or COD. Click on Call of Duty. Now tap on the update button. If there is no update available, then there will be play button instead of update button. And that's how you can update Call of Duty. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.